back, guys, to a new episode of The Return, episode 11. So, you guys chose Don't Press the Button 4, so that means that Curse Pet Simulator is going to the next round. So, today we're back at Don't Press the Button. As you can see, it is the old one. I have 245 coins and 111 rounds. I remember this game from Epic Minigames, and it totally turned on the music. And as always, guys, the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you which two games you're gonna be able to vote for in the next episode. How do I know? How do we know which one's gonna fall? I guess we don't. Oh, okay. I guess you have time to get out of it. It would probably be that one. No, it's that one. No, it's that one. No, it's that one. Okay, let's survive. Now it's this one. Okay, we had no way of surviving there. We had no way. No way, Jose. Let's see the market. Can I buy something? Okay, this is the lobby that I'm used to. You just said survive and I died. You just said survive and it teleported me to death. What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay, this one's a lock based. Well, yeah, you guess we have a little time. Yeah, we have time. Okay, if this platform is the next chosen one, no one wins. Okay, no one won. No one won. Yep, no one wins. I want to press it. No! Okay, asked. Okay, I have to collect a shape. I have 11 seconds. Find a bright yellow star. Yellow star. Where's a bright yellow star? Find a lime green connel. What's a connel? I don't know what a connel is. Oh, found it. GG's. We're the winners. Let's go. Who's gonna win next? Who's gonna find the hexagon? Lime green whittle. Yay! Was it Sonic? I think it was Sonic. Yes. Bright red ball. Oh, that should be easy. Yep. Let's go. We won. We won that one. Let's see. Let's go back to this. Sonic Speed is the chosen one. Oh. What can we buy that would help us? That's expensive. What is this? We have to save them. It's the Popo. Oh, don't let the Popo kill you. Catch you. I guess we can see what we can buy. I think last time I played this, I spent all of my coins, so I cannot buy anything. Wait, there's more. Limited time ones. Okay, pizza. Do we buy the bank? Bank. I think we should fight to the death. No. Okay, let's buy the bank. Watch out, the giant black hole! No! I was right. Only one door is correct. Reach the end. Okay. It's blue. It's red. It's yellow. What? It's red. Oh! It's green. I guessed almost all of them! I guessed almost all of them. Wow, this is a legendary video. This is a legendary video, guys. Can I afford the bank? Oh, I barely can. Who wants to die, boys? I'm getting just bank. Take cover under the umbrella. I'm taking cover. Oh my god, it's acid rain. Bang. Ha ha ha. Funny. I want to press it. Oh, it's still going. I thought it was over. Well, once you die again, bong. You can make money fall out of your back. Oh my god, give me money. I want to be rich. No, I'm gonna fall right in the button. Ready? How much is this? There's only one remaining or one? Or what? The umbrella should change to like from here to here. Grab the correct color. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I have the correct color, okay. We have to grab. I got it. I'm blue. Da ba dee da da da. Let's go. What's next? Is that it? Red. Wait. No! They stole it from me. Well, the both of them are gonna win. Okay, who's gonna be the last one? Okay, let's see. No one died. Let's see again. Okay, it came back this time. Now it's pink again? They don't even have to change color. Wait, it's a different shade of pink, I think. I think it's a different shade of pink. Yeah, it was a different shade of pink. Well, she won. Choppy Cool won. Okay. No! Okay, this video is a goated video and a bad video. Sorry for the coughing, guys. I'm getting kinda sick. Okay, wait, he's the last one. I think almost everyone died at the beginning by accident. It should give you like 3 seconds of warning. And like there's a platform that protects you. He's not even moving. Which the end? Okay. Easy. That was super easy. Once you be banged. Haha. So funny. Comedy. Oh. Really? How can no one do this? Oh, there's someone's corpse. What is this? Infinite what? Infinite money? I think this is infinite money. Ah, you cheated. You cheated. You didn't cheat. Unlimited coins? Yes, and that's really pricey. Oh my god. What's next? Don't press it. Oh. It's this again. Okay, we're safe. Uh-oh. I think it's good to just jump. Yes, I would have died there. Oh my god. Oh, it can be bad. Like that. Okay, who wins? Few people left. Ooh, they have really bad luck. Ooh, they have. Ooh, this one's the chosen one. And no one won again. No one won. Oh, bro. No. What? How is she the winner? What? No way. How? What's this? Knock the door. Knock on the door. Run. Why? Why are we running? And where are we running? Oh, there's this killing skeleton. You can do it, guys! Survive! Survive! Ah, survive! 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 Be quick, survive. You can do it, guys. Survive. Survive, guys. Yay! We're in space. Oh, yes, we are. I'm going back to the main island. Wait, maybe not. What should be back in space? The first person should be back in space. Who is it gonna be? You. Okay, now what? We're stuck here forever? I might eat my pizza. Now I sit here and relax. Oh, there we go. Stop the incoming balls from touching them. Soccer or football, whatever you want to call it. I like this game, especially because right now it's like the I was gonna say we lost. The World Cup is happening right now. Currently today, aka yeah, huh? I'm recording this on Saturday. This video is being posted on Sunday. What? Huh? Why am I here? Oh, what? Where are we? Poppy playtime? Pick up. Have the paintbrush. What did we do? Hello? Who are you? Oh, we have to get them. We have to kick them to them. Okay. Oh, it's a special one. Oh, it's whatever he would normally use for engineering? What? Is it random? Okay. The hammer now. Is it random? I think it's random. The blueprint? Yes. The hammer now. Only 2 items. No one won. Haha. I pressed the button. Reach the top. Okay. 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 Yay! I'm the first one again. Let's go. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. It's like RV Battles. RV Battles actually making me good at parkour. I cannot believe that. Hey, let's go. Pub playtime. We have 6 seconds to find a building with light. What? I don't understand this. Failure places. Oh. That was easy. Yeah, I died. How did I die again? That doesn't make sense. Hey, I'm dead though. How long is this? Oh, you have to reach over here. Oh, okay, there we go, I won. Hey, we're in the ball pit. Yes! Yes, sir! Sonic Speed! Oh my god, Sonic Speed Simulator! Oh my god, is that you? Oh my god, is that you? Oh my god! Hey! Press the button! Don't press it! Jump! Hey, I survived! What is that? Oh, easy. Stay here. Right? Right there. Hey, let's go! Hey, you! Let's go! Survive. Feed the giant noob. Okay, sure. Why not? Let's feed him myself. Woo! Yeah, I want to touch him. Okay, he's transparent. Okay. I guess I cannot do that. I'm gonna wait here. Wanna spam? Banana time! Yes! Yes, sir! Let's go! What happened? Why are we little? Why? Help me! Mommy! Mama! 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 Wait, are we gonna stay like this till the end? Okay, thank you. I actually wanted to die there. It's coming. What? What? Okay. Among Us won. I also won. But like. Next update, okay. Let's go win. Let's go, let's feed the giant. Let's feed the giant. Goodbye, guys. Have my gun. Woo! YouTube, it's not a real gun, so don't strike me, okay? But he has a real gun. Strike him. Look, he has a real gun. Ooh, a present. Oh, you cannot open it. He has a real gun. Well, it's a paint. I was gonna say a paintbrush. You can say what are they called? Oh, they shoot presents. Okay. Maybe I forgot the name. It's a present machine. Let's go. How long is this? Almost everyone already made it. There we go. I pressed it. Survive the firings. Oh. Uh-oh. They're hard to see. That thing is still frozen. Imagine being him. Okay? They were doing good. Uh-oh, I took damage. Hey! The treasure is mine! And all of us also. Hey, Sonic survived. Press that thing. And then press the button. Sure. Easy! Easy! Easy. Let's go. Press it again. Watch out for the raining bombs. Nah. Nah, brother. Nah. I'm still right here. Okay, I'ma just avoid. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti. This is bad. Can I pull off? No, I cannot. Behind here? Uh-oh. What's that? One's building over there. Oh my god. Where's I leave? How am I still alive? I can't even talk. I'm gonna sacrifice myself to the bomb gods. Oh my god. Press it. Click the door. As soon as you click it, someone dies?
Knock knock! Who's that? The door!
Okay. Again? Oh. Click it. He always clicks it, the Among Us guy. Stay here. In the button. Everyone. Yeah! The brutes! Yes! I told you guys, let's go! We survived. No, get out so I can click it. Oh, oh. He's still frozen! Which the bottom? What's a dropper? I hate droppers if you guys have seen that old video. I'm thinking of making him be in this series. Okay, this is actually a pretty long one. And I'm dead also. Reach the bottom, sure. Okay, with this then, oh my god, with this one, non-clip, whatever it's called, it's actually not non-clip, I forgot about it, but it's actually really good for like dropper, so okay. People have already made it. What? And what? Yeah, everyone's dropping. Yeah. Who even is there? Like only that person. The person that only presses the button is always there. I guess the people that survived the last round survive this round. Get to participate. That makes sense, I guess. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, build. Okay, what's next? Get the ball to the other side. Okay, I'm team blue. Wait, does this work? It does. Let's go. It does work. Nope, that's the wrong side. Yeah, you said it's really good. For this game, for this mode, this gun is actually really good. The fake gun is actually really good. Oh, we have to get it over there. It's just to their side, not to the bottom. That's another one. That one's already blue. Go, 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 yes! Among Us! Let's go. Hey, we won! Blue team, let's go! Blue to the win, even though my friend's color is red. Again! Stand still in. I'm standing still even in real life. Okay, I'm okay. Corey, push the ice off the lobby. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? What happened? Shh. Okay. I have no idea what just happened. Someone texted me. I don't know what was it. Watch out. Ooh. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Hey.
Knowledge.
Okay. Reach the mountaintop. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the last one. The last one because I have to go. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Guys, I'm about to show you the next two games. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh. Well, I think this is a great way to end the video. I'm telling you the two games right now, guys. So the first one is none other than the one I just said, the dropper. I think that's what it's called. I don't know if it's called a different way. It's gonna be in the comments. Next up, the other contestant, it's gonna be Arsenal. Why Arsenal? Because it's in RB battles. And it should be here, and I was planning on doing it, it's now. So go vote in the comments, go watch the playlist, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!